There you go, there's the new shed up there. Let's go and have a look at that first. And here you go, I've just finished off separating, putting the section up. There you go, see, I've partitioned it off. Oh, look at this colour there. There you go, so aye. And this is where I put Tamaclow's doos in here. We stop pigeons. There we go. There they are. There they are. There they are. Come on in, come on. Come on in. There you go. So these are Tamaclow's we do. There you go, there you go. So that's it. Get that right. So there you go, that's in your loft there. Well, let's go and see what these do. I've just give them all nest bowls and some straw. So let's see how this encourages them all to lay. Because I've already counted 5 pair. There you go, and there's some young cocks sitting down low on the bowls. Hear them all. See, I'm going to use that to try and break these pigeons. That's what I did this for. I cleaned it all out. I whitewashed it yesterday with loft lime. I ran a gas burner over it the day after I cleaned it out. And now I've just gave them their feeding and some bowls. Hear them all, hear them. See that on a Friday night when there's like 24 widowhood cocks buzzing like bees. That's what you want. Buzzing like bees. I've had it, and I know what it sounds like. It's tremendous to have all the cocks in their boxes with their hens buzzing. Hear that? They're only young cocks, they're not just young birds bred this year. But they're all looking good. Let's go and see. Let's go and see, eh? Look at that, eh? See that? See? See? There we go. Come on in, come on in. Come on in, there you go. See that? You see the night? I'll probably come out here the night when it's dark. With just a wee torch. So I can see these dudes are all sitting together. No, these three there, but he's paired up to one of them anyway, I know he is. Look at that. Look at that wee cock there. Look how he's hauling. He's hauling. You know, see how he's hauling. And as you can see, you know, there's some there you go, see. I counted 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs. So now they've given them all bowls. I'm just hoping that they'll all pair up. I'll let them lay eggs, but they're not going to get to feed anything. And it'll be just during the chipping stages when I start releasing them out. When I start sort of homing them here to this loft. So aye, that's what it's all going to be about in the next few weeks. As you can see, there's all the straw. You know, there's all the straw. There's all the feeder. There you go. See that? So, that's how it is at the moment. Try to pair them all up so I can break these dudes. Stuart Gilchrist loft to my loft. So they've only been flying out about Stuart's Ducat, nothing. They've never been in a basket. They've only been away ranging a couple of times, and that's as far as they've been in Edinburgh. But now they're in East Lothian and in Haddington. You know, so I'm just hoping to get most of them all doing an eggs, get them all paired up, and then start letting them out to see how they come back here. He's a cracking wee grizzle, isn't he? Look at him. Hey, look at that wee hen, isn't she gorgeous? Come on in, come on in, come on in. Come on in, come on in, come on in. There's a wee checker cock there, his number's 1027. He's paired up to a wee hen, I know he is, that's why he's hauling. There's another, there's that cracking wee blue cock, hey, look at me, stop, watch this, watch this. Come on then, come on, right guys, so I'll catch us all in the next video. Cheery cheery!